Hi everybody, our next chapter is on the conjunction. Let's read the following sentences. Kim has gone and Peter has come. The word and joins the sentence. Kim has gone to the sentence Peter has come. Do your work or I shall punish you. The word or joins the sentence. Do your work to the sentence I shall punish you. I called him, but he did not hear me. The word but joins the sentence I called him to the sentence he did not hear me. These words and or but which are used to join one sentence to another are called conjunctions. Sometimes a conjunction merely join words. So we can summarize: a conjunction is a word that joins word or sentences together. Here are more examples of conjunctions. I did not come because you did not call me. He is clever but lazy boy. Don't answer unless you know. The air is cold when it rains. I know that he is ill. The conjunctions here in this lines are because, but, unless, when, and that. Here are some conjunctions which are used in pairs as both and, either or, whether or, not only, but also. There are few sentences also. For both and, we both love and honor him. Either or, either take it or leave it. Whether or, I do not care whether you go or stay. Not only, but also. Not only he is foolish, but also obstinate. Here are some few conjunctions for you. Thanks for watching the video. In our next chapter, learn about parts of speech.